sky is heavy with its gray, its weight. The trees bend low like they can't escape. I walk this road with no one near. Every step echoes louder than fear. Raindrops whisper, they don't explain why shadows linger in the rain. Shadows in the rain, calling my name, falling like tears, but it's not the same. Every drop feels like a memory stain. I can't outrun these shadows in the rain. Your voice still lingers, soft and torn, a ghost of laughter the winds have worn. The pavement shines like broken glass, reflecting pieces of our past. The storm grows quiet, but not my mind. I search for something I can't find. Shadows in the rain, calling my name, falling like tears, but it's not the same. Every drop feels like a memory stain. I can't outrun these shadows